It's your girl, Amazing Ann. We are Mom Ann.
Hey.
And this is Dance for Health, the African approach to
fitness.
Right, today, it's a tutorial session. A lot of you have asked me to do certain things, but I'm going to take it one at a time. Otherwise, we'll never ever get there. Today, I'm going to, remember the last time we did leg works, Ije Wata, and Ije Enyi, and we overcame that. Today, we're going to do the Ogba session. Ogba session. So I'm going to be teaching Bay. I brought Bay with me today. So Bay, say hey.
Hey.
Right, so today I'm going to be doing the Ogba session. And then we put a little clip and we take it from there. You ready? Okay. So for you to start the Ogba, you have to be happy. And you're bouncing, like you're bouncing. You gotta bounce. Hey, why you? Hey. That's it. Gotta get the legs. See what we're doing gently. Well, once we finish, then we can put the song to the actions. And don't forget to smile. Let me lay emphasis. In fact, I'm going to bring out a session and I will do smiling techniques. Nobody walks around with their faces like this. But we have to express ourselves. We need to be able to tell you that what we're doing, we're enjoying it as well. That's the reason we smile whilst we dance. Dancing is an art, okay? So we're going to continue, right? Okay? I did show initially the Ije Wata. So this is the Ije Wata. Everything we do is around dance, yeah? And then so we're going to add the Ogba. 1, 2. That's it. And don't forget to, and as you are putting your legs forward, your hand goes forward and backwards. Left. Okay, this is right, back, left, right, left. So let's do this. See what I'm doing. So your right hand comes forward and your left hand goes backwards. And as your right hand comes forward, your left hand goes back. Your right leg goes forward too. This is so confusing. Almost one Igbo. But we want to be able to incorporate our people. Recently, we had a lot of followers from Kenya, Uganda, South Africa, Americans too. I'm amazed. A lot of white people, white friends have joined us, and they're seeking to learn our traditional bit. So I can't be speaking Igbo if we want them to join. So let us incorporate everyone. Okay? So let's do this. So this is the Ogba. Okay? Remember, Ije Wata, Ije Enyi is the same thing. And then I'm going to add the third step, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's go forward. 1, 2, come on. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Does that make sense? Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. Then after a while you stand still and then you jump. And then you do it again. And then you jump. And you jump. And there's something I've learned and I want to teach Bay. When you're doing this, you have to learn how to do your head. Shake your head. Bay, but take your head like. Good. So you have to feel it. Just like a tiger. You know, shaking. What is it called? You know the tigers? The fur. Exactly. You do it like that. Okay. Listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake. Hey! 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 1, 2. Okay, guys. We're going to put a dance. We're going to put a beat and the dance and the art to the song. And we take it from there. Are you ready? Catch you. Now we're going to follow us now, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, Thank you for coming on board. Come closer. We are done. So basically, don't forget, we did Ije Mata and we did the Ije. And after the Ije, we added the third step, like the Yoba. And once you get tired, you jump a bit and you punch and then you move. So this is how the Yoba goes with your girl Amazing and Princess. So catch us soon. This is Dance for Health, the African approach to fitness. So if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to click on the notification button, click subscribe and then bell, so that you get news whenever we upload. Okay, have a blessed day. Keep on learning, keep on dancing, keep something pumping, and life goes on. Bye.